So tell me how you got started in racing.
You know, I started racing go-karts out of dental school and decided that the safety factor just wasn't there, so I started looking at other types of cars that offered more protection, and so eventually found the Radical here out in Spring Mountain Motorsport Country Club in Pahrump, Nevada. And it's a spec series, which makes it such that we all can do the same level of driving expertise, not based on monetary expenditure or going faster. And so it really worked out well to have a spec series that allowed me to have some fun and get away from practice.
Tell me about this, how fast the car goes, just layman terms. Tell me a little bit about the car.
In layman terms, top speed's about 155, but I think what's more interesting is since we race on road courses, it's going around a corner at 100 to 120 miles an hour at 2.5 Gs, which makes it a little more exciting than just going straight fast.
And tell me, what's going through your, is there anything going through your mind when that's going on, or is it just, what do you think?
There's a lot of concentration and focus when you're going around the racetrack. There's not much time to think of anything else.
What's kind of funny is
Tell me about the relationship between dentistry and racing.
There's a lot of great relationships between dentistry and racing. You know, obviously to the racing car at a very high level, you have a lot of training, you have to have a lot of skill, and you have to have the right equipment. And so dentistry is very similar to that. You know, obviously we're talking about Dentrix, to have training on your product, to be able to implement it very well so you can be profitable, but to have something that you can work very consistently with and very efficiently, such that you can, basically utilize less employees, work faster, and retain more information that can be accessed so you can run your business more easily and successfully.
And how do you balance between dentistry and racing?
It's a tough thing to do. The balance between dentistry and racing, they blend together quite often, as you can see here today. But a couple days in the office and a couple weekends at the track, so I try to balance it as much as possible. The nice thing, obviously, about using Dentrix is, regardless of being at the track or in the office, I can access my Dentrix information through e-mobile or through the internet. And so it does keep me in contact with the office very easily. So if the office needs something, I'm there for them even when I'm not in the practice.